This video could be pretty much anything and it'd be good because we only need 200 views.
Brownie's not waiting. That stream was last month.
We ready, guys?
Yep.
Okay, let's go down the stairs this time. Sketch, get ready. Sketch, pop interview. Sketch.
Oh, what's that loud noise? Maybe it's the $400 mic you bought.
Wait, what is that?
That's his mic, bro. Sketch, put the mic away. See, it went away as soon as you put it away.
Oh, yeah. What just happened?
Where's Case?
Wait,
I'm here.
you hear that noise? Listen, shh,
I'm
listen.
hearing crackling noises. Oh,
Quiet.
Wait, it sounds like radiation. Do you hear that?
That's a crab cake.
It sounds like the elephant's foot from Chernobyl.
whoa!
What is that?
Keep coming down here.
Sketch is down here running around without a flashlight. What does he do?
I probably should have brought you.
Whoa, what is he doing?
Yeah, I just... Where's the...
Okay, guys, 36% film and we're done. Wait, listen. Shh, nobody move, listen. Guys, there's something big on the other side of this door.
Nothing's
that?
here.
What is that? What is that?
It's like a crack. Is the audio glitching?
No, I think there's something here. I'm scared of it. Let's maybe try through this door. Where'd Sketch go? Jinxie, where's Sketch?
Oh, it's this light, Case. It's just the light.
Jinxie, we got more important business. Where is Sketch?
Sketch!
Jinxie, come here.
Are you getting nervous?
Dude, Jinxie, come here. Yo,
Don't get
Jinxie.
nervous.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh, there we go.